Okay, so you're working on a project and you just stand back and you admire it and you go, man, I can't wait to see what this is going to look like. Well, that's what we're going with this. This, if any of you remember from 3-4 years ago, this was the 15-foot grain head cart that we had the 15-foot grain head sitting on, Case IH 1020. We had to do some modifications. We had the corn head cart sitting on. We had to widen this thing just a little bit. I don't know where we widened it. Oh, okay, from here, moved it out another set of holes here. It was set up for that 15-foot grain head. We had to just make these pockets here for the corn head to set on, and these ratchet straps here to strap it down with. And I am just working at taking these bolts loose, and I got an idea. So I just had to get after this kit here to get a 7/8 deep well impact socket. One. Okay, so it wasn't too awfully bad of a job. Just gonna put all these bolts back in the hubs on this thing and run some sandpaper over this, take an air hose, blow it off. Shouldn't take too long to run a sandpaper over this and knock all the scaly rust off of this. We are going to paint it black, just like the other two header carts, so that way it matches. I don't know, probably just wanted to paint the rims white, or at least that's what I want to do, is paint them white like the other ones. Dad was wanting to go with red and white, or red and silver, but make it match the other carts. Okay, so I got my sandpaper here. This is what I'm going to use to be sanding this cart down with. We'll set you up on a tripod here, and we'll let you watch me go sanding at it. Okay, so I'm going to switch my sandpapers here. Go from a finer to a more of a rougher kind. See how well that does on them pits and that rusty, scaly stuff. See how this rougher sandpaper does, like on these pits and stuff, on this real rusty stuff. Oh yeah, it's doing an awesome job. I don't even know why I started with that other stuff, that other sandpaper, but it's a learning experience. Oh yeah.